Alright, here we go. Ah!
Whoa!
That was great.
Buzz.
Good intro.
I'm just playing.
For our first episode ever.
I so don't want to. I'm just gonna say.
Episode 1.
Episode number 1. The way I was raised is it's BPGP. Greenland fucking butt pirates. And I'm looking for whatever. Arr.
You're stupid.
No,
Why
sir.
would you start something out like that? Okay, so the 5 Ratchetest Datchets, and they'll only hear this if we get fucking money, which is what we're supposed to be doing.
Grungy.
Viral. They will only hear it. Okay, top 5 Ratchetest Datchetest. I promise I won't post this anywhere but YouTube. It's already signed to YouTube.
Grungy.
Men, I'll go first.
Oh God, here we go. They're not really ratchet, but
Dun, 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 dun. Number 5, Skylar Brazil.
Skylar.
Okay.
Top 5.
Your number 5 is?
Nina.
Nah!
Oh God. Whoa.
Number 4. I really can't think of that many.
Number 4.
Ratchetest Datchetest.
Just can't. Kara Dorsey.
Stop!
Sorry, Kara. I really like you as a person, but you know, ain't getting
Which way? Which way?
Right.
Oh God, I cut off a fucking Cracker Bill deal. Oh my God, if you don't keep this phone standing up.
Number 3.
No, we need.
You gotta put up another fella.
Okay. My number 4. What?
4 for you.
Okay, my number 4 would be. Hold on.
Put him out there. Put him out
Let
there.
me think. Of course, the one and only Daddy.
Dirty!
Get the pipe out of the video, you stupid!
What pipe?
Number 3 for you.
Number 3. Mona Shipley.
Okay.
Sorry, Mona, you're really hot, but just put a little scrub.
You didn't really make him Mona.
Mona, yes. Just put a little scrub.
Okay, my number 3 would be.
And bubbles.
Oh my God, number 5 should have been J-Woo. My number 4 is Skylar. My number 3 is
Dirty.
Dirty. Your number 2.
Oh God.
Don't.
Number 2. Number 2. Who do we got the overall? Number 2. Top of the. They're leading the class. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta think about this one. This is a toughie.
God damn it. You're not thinking. You're fucking. Your number 2 Ratchetest Datchetest.
My number 2 is number 2.
Oh my God, you suck.
No, you suck.
Number 2 Ratchetest.
I'm trying to think.
This is almost the worst one.
Grungy.
Almost. This is the one before the very worst grungiest. Like you'd rather do this one than the grungiest, but none of it. Blech.
Who could it be? Who could it be?
Think about it. Come on,
Yeah,
you're
think
not
about it,
thinking.
man. This
He
how I
has
think.
ADHD. I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is how I think. Okay, let me think, baby. Let me do the scroll the dicks. Scroll the dicks, scroll the dicks, scroll the dicks. Scroll the dicks, scroll the dicks. Seductress, no. Set this aside.
Okay, we can't.
Your turn? Pause. Can we pause?
You don't have any more ratchets?
Right off the top of the dome, no. I ain't been just batting and fucking ratchet, dude.
Okay, well, top 3 ratchets were fucking Jay Wooster, Josh Wood, whatever, I don't know if there's a Z in it. Skylar Brazil, sorry bud, you're a ratchet.
Put him out there.
Dirty.
Does Dallas. Sorry, bud.
Sorry, dude. Daniel Black?
That's cool. I'm number 1. Overall number.
No.
No.
What?
Well, hold on now. I can get goddamn.
What are your top 3 ratchetest Datchets?
Yeah. Back to my top 3. My top 3 is none of it. Number 4 is
No.
Number 4.
Okay.
Number 4 no. Turtles.
Okay.
Number 3, Mona Shipley, and number 2.
There's a turtle crossing the road. Oh my God! Look at it, Joe.
Yes,
We have to help it. Oh God! Watch me get stuck. Oh, we're right in front of Joe.
Who would it be? Who would we be? Dum.
Did you think of it yet? I helped the turtle across the road.
The tortoise.
The turtle.
We'll have it.
Can we stop stopping by Daddy's? God.
The tortoise.
Look at Lulu back there. What is number 2?
Number 2 would be. I can't remember. She's out there.
You can't remember, but she's out there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think because it's kind of like most of the time it's on the fly because that's how you don't get caught. Long story longer is I can't name it. I can't say it.
Oh my God, he's horrible.
I just don't know.
He's just scared.
Well, I just ain't been with a lot of people. I've been a real good boy. Accepting applications. Okay, no, I'm not.
Over 300.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay. Anyway, guess how many I've been in?
How many? Over 1,000. I'm just playing. Somewhere.
I know, I don't.
You're betting somewhere in the fucking. Somewhere in the half a dozen. Ball field.
More. Definitely more. I've been with more than half a dozen men, yes.
Okay. Put your number out there.
I don't know it. That's what's sad, but I know the
Me
ball
either.
field area region.
Okay. Shoot it. 500?
60.
That's good game. Good game, coach. Remember, I got 11 years on her.
Okay, hold on. No. Less than 60, more than 30. No. Okay, hold on. I can start this from beginning to end. AJ Preston, Stephen Brinkley. Oh God. Devin Acuff. Oh, what was the goddamn name? David Richardson. Oh, I forgot to do the tally marks. That's 6. Okay, 7. James English. Joe Nelly. Zach Cook. Did I do that one already? Okay. That's my husband. I'm married now. Jay Wooster. That didn't count. Oh my God, that's 10. Okay, Don Moo. Looney. That's 12.
Coming.
Bryce, back when I was a kid. Let's think back when I was a
Johnny Bogart.
kid. No, I have not.
I was just
I'm being for real deal honest. Okay, 13. I'm at 13 with Bryce when I was a kid. Okay.
Don't put him out there.
There was that really hot Mexican at the, he was like a Sereno. I don't really know his name very well, but he was always there every time I went to the motel. Okay, so there's that guy. Number 5, Sam Ragston. That's 15. I mean, not 5. Okay, so I'm definitely over 15. Okay, we got Daddy 16. 17 Skyla. Did I do Tell Me already? Okay. 17 Skyla. I think that's it. Tyler Spears. 18. When I was a kid. Trying to think. Have I fucked your man? Have I fucked... Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Tiff. Sorry, Tiff. Okay.
Jack.
Not sorry. Okay. Who else? No one. No one. None other. Oh, Ryan Murray, Ethan Driscoll. That's 20.
Ooh, God. All you
Okay.
are climbing the leaderboard.
Okay. Who else?
You are.
Fuck.
You're
I'm forgetting a
out there.
whole sum of Ratchet.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the dude at the Days Inn, that's 21.
Oh, we don't even want to know.
Oh my God, and these are all for sure. These aren't even ifs. Does this really happen?
What happened?
Well, everything I said.
For sure.
20. What were we at? 21?
Whoa.
We were at 21. Okay.
You went the wrong way, for one.
You didn't tell me which way to go. For
You're
two.
supposed to go down the little road.
Damn it. Okay, anyway. So I have fucked 21 people in my lifetime. If I remember more, I will make sure that I add to that list. Your turn.
Okay, let me think. I have probably knocked off every major girl in Fayetteville.
He's so proud of it.
It's fuck. Like my list is stupid.
Yes, I know your list is stupid. Your list is so stupid that like every time that you have a comment about anything else, I'm going to revert back to this moment in this video.
This one video is not credible in court. You can't take this. You can't hold me on trial.
No.
This is not a signed written confession.
No.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, he's a fucking whore, for sure.
I've got 11 years on hers, ladies and gentlemen. 11.
I only have
long.
fucked 21 people.
I had 21 people when I was 11.
Exactly. I am not a hoe.
I can't help it. I'm pretty.
I'm not a hoe.
Look at me.
Joe, if your old lady told you she only fucked 21 people in her lifetime, would you marry her or not?
I can't.
And it was true.
If it was true, yeah.
And it doesn't matter who the old lady is, just picture your future old lady, whatever.
Yes, I would marry her.
21, that's not very many, huh?
I wouldn't care if it was 62. I wouldn't care how many she did, just as long as she was true, honest, and loyal to me.
Did I add Looney to the list?
No, that's
Yes, I did.
That's 22.
No, I did.
Oh,
We're going to go back and check.
we're gonna write it down. Next
No,
time.
we can rewind and check.
Okay, that works too.
I added Looney.
There's number one. Let's go with number one. Brianna Patita. Oh,
Number one, what?
Did she, my list.
She took your virginity.
No, fuck no. I lost my virginity when I was 12.
I love you, Bree, but who have you not fucked?
Bree, keep it up. You know what I'm saying? Keep it up. You know what I'm saying? I salute you.
Okay, so anyway, yes, we salute you, Bree. You do your time and the dick.
Come on, and you do
You
it.
take your time and you take your dick.
And you do it with a smile. I love that. I love that.
Okay. Anyway,
Come on. Anyways, the homie. Anyways, long story short is her marsupially creased butterfly.
I don't want the fucking full list.
Yeah, my list is phenomenal.
I don't want to know. I'm saying how many roundabouts. Sorry, Tiff.
300, maybe. Probably.
No, you've done more than that because if my husband has done 8 calendar years in goddamn locked up.
Put it like this.
8 calendars he's done and he's fucked almost 300.
Put it like this. All right, for the last 3 years, I've known my bestest friend has been, long story short, kind of 5 a day. I was doing that before all that started.
Who's your bestest friend?
We're not going to go into that because there's a lot of stuff to it. Long story short,
What do you mean?
all the way up to it, I was doing
Who's
5
your best?
a day.
That's disgusting, I know, and here I am.
But I haven't been like that
Shut the fuck up.
since I've been broke back mountain.
Riggins.
Which one?
Rusty Riggins.
She's badass.
Well, go be with Rusty
No,
and her Christy.
no. I want to be with Emily.
He doesn't ever say I'm goddamn
the
badass.
Super Cooper Trooper. I want to be with the Cooper Trooper.
Get the fuck out.
But she's married.
Get the fuck out.
The Cooper Trooper. You know this.
I ain't no fucking police, so if you fucking
I
refer
did.
to me as a fucking super trooper.
I said the Super Cooper Trooper. No, you ain't no fucking police. I would never refer to you that and then be like, I want to be with you, with the, because I'm not.
How many times have you done that to me?
What? Done what?
Referred and then been like, "Eek."
Referred. I've got a high referral.
You cannot manipulate me.
Manipulate you. How am I trying to manipulate you for one? Give me my.
Number one. These are really not pretty on me.
Let me see. Let me check those out again.
Can I hit that fucking pipe? Can we take a break?
I'm trying.
Pause.
but-
Oh, we can pause it.
Oh, God. They're trying to kill us, and that was dirty.
No, it wasn't. I didn't pause it.
That was dirty.
Oh my god. Pause, bitch.
That was dirty.